Right. So the figure below is made up of two semicircles. You can see semicircle means half a circle. So you can see there are two types of semicircles here. One is a big semicircle. That is this one. Then another one is a smaller one at the bottom. Right? You can see there are two. O is the midpoint. What do we understand by the word midpoint? Half. Halfway. Is the halfway mark. Is the halfway point. If it means halfway, it means that AO is equals to OB. Okay? Find the perimeter of the figure. So when we want to find the perimeter, you need to know for circle, you need to understand that perimeter means the outer parts of the figure, which means semicircle, they have this thing called the arc. Okay, or we call the circumference. All right, it's just that outer curve part there. Okay, then we need to find the smaller semicircle arc as well. Then this one is given 14 cm, right? Now, what's our plan? Our plan is to find the big arc, the small arc, plus 14 cm. Okay, now how do we find the big arc? The big arc, okay? So before that, you need to know that the circumference formula, okay? Circumference is RENCE, correct spelling. Okay, circumference is pi times diameter. It's diameter that we want. Do we have a diameter here for the big arc, for the big circle? We do not have it. All we have is a 14 cm, which means it is the radius. This is my radius. It's half of the diameter. Just for the sake of those who are like lost, what am I talking about? What diameter, what radius, what, if you forget, this is it. This is our center part of the circle here. Half of it is called a radius, okay? The whole thing from one end to the other end here is called our diameter. So radius is actually half of diameter. Diameter is equals to 2 times of radius. Okay, so far? All right, usually they use small r, not big R. Wait, let me rewrite small r. Okay, so this is our radius. This is our r, this is our r as well. Okay, so now can we find the radius of the big semicircle? Not radius, the diameter. Diameter of the big semi, can. Diameter of big semi C, okay, equals to 14 times 2, equals to 28 centimeter. Now, we know this is the big one. Now the small one, diameter of small semi C equals to, okay, this is 14. This whole thing is also 14 cm, right? So we know already, yeah, this is 14. Don't have to times 2. No, because the whole thing there is the diameter for the small one. Okay, so okay already with the diameters. Now, can we find the arc for the big semi C? Arc of big semi C equals to find the arc means it's the diameter and the circumference. Okay, so half, because it's a semicircle, times pi 22/7 times diameter of 28. This is the big one. Okay, equals to 44 centimeter. Now arc of small semi C equals to, again, half times 22/7 times 14. That's given there. Equals to 22 cm. So our plan just now was to take the big arc, the small arc, plus 14 cm. Okay, so the big arc is 44 cm plus 22 cm plus 14 cm. We are going to get 80 centimeter. Answer is option number 2. All right, please mark.